Three, two, one.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stack up with the brownie. Ranged, use your cooldowns. We skip bubbles, so start spreading out as well. Tanks will handle this barnacle bash.
2, 1.
And then we do Azurite in 5 seconds, so pre-spread.
4, 3,
And get to your appropriate colors. Try not to be over anyone else.
2,
Barnacle bash in 1.
Soak.
4, 3.
Good. 2 remain. It's gonna be the red group. Briny stack on the tank. Dodge the surge. Break people out.
4, 3.
In 3, the red group is going to be doing the middle 2. Everyone else just find each other and make sure no one dies.
Help soak.
Soak.
4, 3,
Four,
2.
Melee, this is gonna be you.
one.
Pop your things.
This is Lawful's wings.
Ready to spread my wings, baby.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Surge.
4,
Save the Tiger's Lust. Can do it without.
4, 3, 2, 1.
2 more. Last one incoming.
We have Briny in 5. You want to be in front of the boss, so if you're far away, move in already.
3, 2, 1.
Stack up. Dodge the surge.
Rick called external.
4,
Hold up.
3,
Break people out.
1.
Don't.
Tiger's Lust
Black.
here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Surge in 2. Be ready. Surge.
Guys.
4, 3, 2,
Let me die.
1.
Surge. We have new bubbles in
4,
3.
3,
Try to move the boss a bit
1.
after he spawns them.
4, 3,
This one will be a max.
Okay,
cooldown
try to
a
nuke
bit.
the shield before the. Oh. Get in front.
Touch the bubbles, guys, and stack up on the briny bubble, people. Stack up on the briny bubble.
Use a personal.
4,
Hellstones.
2, 1.
Revival Siege man. Thank you.
Surge in 3. It's gonna be under us.
4, 3,
Move.
2, 1.
Azurite. Get to your trees.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Help soak.
Help soak.
Soak.
4, 3,
Melee. Don't use your cooldowns yet. Briny. Get to the boss. Get to the tank.
Who's doing
There's only 2 left. It's gonna be groups blue and red on the next one. Break people out.
4,
Barnacle bash in 2.
2,
Blue on the far side, red in the middle. Do it now. Green, find each other. Search. Soak.
4,
Missed one.
4,
2, 1.
How?
1.
Upsurge.
Melee, this is you.
Plus,
Bloodlust.
4,
second boss.
I'm on Skull. Try to arrest me as close to the boss as you can.
What Patrick said.
Torch and evade me.
Come address me now.
From the priest. Thank you.
2, 1.
This is my
Come
CDs.
address. Come address. Thank you.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And let me die.
2, 1.
Get to the front.
Yeah, so is your external up?
You know.
Big people out.
3,
Come address me. I'm on school.
1.
Come address Rick.
Any external on Rick, please?
The stage one's got bubble, use it.
No externals on me. Yet.
Surge.
Can you shout?
2 more. 1 more. Okay, you can let me die.
Nuke the shield, guys.
2, 1.
Rick, call where needed if you're dead.
4, 3,
Bubbles incoming soon.
1.
Bubbles now.
If a bubble is gonna hit it, soak it if you have good sustain.
Stack up with the briny.
Kill the-
In the
Don't soak.
Aura,
don't soak.
aura.
Get people out. Nuke
Kill
it
the
with-
boss first. Kill the boss. Kill the boss. Kill the boss.
2, 1.
And down.
Yorick.
I don't get this phrase, man. You say, if people have good sustain, take the bubble.
If they go into the boss.
Can you,
We got the shield down, okay.
yeah, I mean, that's not bad. We're gonna try and see how far we can get. If we get Azurite, just ignore it. Try to be next to the person of your color, but don't hit the trees. Surge. Clap.
4, 3, 2,
Heal the boy.
Spread out. Spread out.
Spread like butter.
4,
Don't care about the coral.
2,
DPS the boss.
Get under the.
dead.
DPS. DPS the boss.
DPS the boss, please stay inside my thing.
We got this, boys.
4,
Easy peasy.
3, 2, 1.
Easy peasy, baby.
What
Why
the
does
fuck?
kid name me so
We didn't believe Khabib.
Easiest fight